Hello and welcome to the 12th episode of the Saturday Showdown by Accumax. Today we have Mittal and Ankit from Pipette Assembly and Calibration team are going to go head to head for today's contest. So today's contest is more about speed and precision. Both the contestants will be provided Accumax Fab Multichannel Pipettes, PCR plates and reservoirs. What they have to do is they have to just fill in maximum number of wells in the PCR plate given to them. Whoever pours maximum number of wells is going to be the winner of today's contest. Here are the rules of this game on your screen. So, Ankit and Mittal, welcome to the show. Today's showdown is all about speed and precision. Each of you will be handed a Fab Multichannel Pipette, a PCR plate and a sample filled of reservoir. Your challenge? Fill as many wells as possible as fast as you can. The one who fills the maximum number of wells first wins the game. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Super.
Come on, Mittal bhai, really?
Experts playing this game. Speed and precision. Total number of wells, whoever will fill the maximum number of wells will be the winner. And as you know, Fab Pipette, it's a fatigue-free, truly ergonomic pipette. You can see how easily these guys are filling up the pipette.
Stop.
So let's check out and find out who is the winner for today's contest. It seems a close contest which has happened. So for Mittal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 64 wells for Mittal bhai. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 72 wells for Ankit bhai. So contest for this today's contest, the winner is Ankit bhai. So it was a very close contest. Almost it was a tiebreaker, but at the end it was matter of fraction of seconds. And Ankit bhai has won the contest. Congratulations, Ankit bhai.
Thank you.
And the small hamper from our side to you.
Welcome.
And thanks for playing, Mittal bhai. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this episode of the Saturday Showdown by Accumax. If you want to participate with your friends or your colleagues, do write us on the below given ID and we'll give a chance to feature you in one of our future episodes. Want to know more about any of the products which are used in this video? You can log on to our website or you can write us. Stay tuned for more exciting challenges. Don't forget to share, like and follow our YouTube channel.